Hello, my name is Kanji Koda. You're on video 846 of the technical documentation of Atomic Ivy MMO. Inside of the client game function section, we have a function belonging to client game, which is the tick function, and we've added a miscellaneous variable section here and defined an immutable variable called never, which is set to 0 to self-document systems that should never directly update. Scrolling down, we have this section created in video 566 called What Should Be Updating. Bomb hard and bomb simp booleans are monkey wrench macros because we should never directly update bomb hard and bomb simp because bomb auth is going to call the update function for one of these. Bomb auth is going to default to being off, and then later we're going to do some logic to decide whether or not we should turn this flag on. Scrolling down, we have the section called Game Mode Only. So if the Eddy Game Objects mode is in constant Eddy Game mode, then we're in game mode, right? This is telling us, are we in game mode? If we're in game mode and bomb auth is turned on, then we're going to set this bomb auth flag to 1. Now this flag right here does not exist yet. We need to create it in another video. Let's scroll down though. Let's scroll down. So right here beneath where we're calling Conway's Game of Life, we are never going to directly call bomb hard tick or bomb simp tick because they are wrapped by bomb auth tick. If bomb auth flag is turned on, we will call the bomb auth tick function right here. Here's what we did previously, here's some footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation of this code, you can go here. You are on the fast playlist. Technical demos only are here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Source code is here. My name is Kanji Koda. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch, and I'm documenting every single line of code, and I'm open sourcing it. So if you want to see where this is going, or you just want to see how to make a game engine, like, subscribe, and follow. This is a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO with GoldenEye style 007 proximity mines. Like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Koda.